for breakfast, I made these vegan banana muffins that are super healthy, and I wanted to deliver them to my grandparents. So it looks like I'm not gonna have that much time before my meeting, but I'm going to taste test one of these and I'll bring it to them afterward. I feel like a midday snack, so I'm gonna eat my leftover overnight oats from yesterday. Still super good. Marinara pasta, really basic, and honestly I don't like it that much, but it's okay. So here's me making another batch of chocolate chip cookie dough, and this is my favorite kind of cookie dough. It's an amazing recipe and I'll link it in the description box. So for lunch, I had some takeout from a really good vegetarian local tofu shop. Their dishes are some of my favorite, and I can't believe it's vegetarian. I love tofu so much. This is the best flavor. Guaranteed. Smooth topping mango. They kind of fucked it up today. They added too much ice, but it's okay. Still delicious. So this is some takeout duck udon, and this place is freaking fire. Just another clip of me munching on some Saratoga bagels. And if you're wondering if this whole title of the video is a catfish, I just haven't gotten to the point where I started feeling my period cravings yet, and then I started to eat a lot of sugar, so you just wait. I've been eating pretty badly the past few days, so I'm gonna make up for it by making some freaking kale chips. I have not put on the show yet, but I'm very excited for this because I love chips. I love how light kale chips are and their health. So this is just me preparing my kale chips, and it only takes about 5 minutes, so it's super easy and you get some fire chips out of it. Yum! Don't hate on it until you try it. I'm going to eat them. Oh yeah. Kale is so hard to eat. Typically, but as chips, it's kind of fire. They're super light. Kind of like paper or like seaweed. But yeah. Finished my Jamba from a few days ago, so I'm literally eating it like a popsicle. Or, I don't even know. That's definitely not how you eat a popsicle either. Still tastes good though. This beef ragu dish has become a classic recipe in our house, and we have it almost every week, and it's really good. We finish off the night with some burnt almond cupcakes from this really good bakery in San Jose. They're very unique in that you can probably never find cupcakes so cheap and so fluffy and delicious. Flu clinic, and she bought some Kit Kat for the kids, but I ended up eating all the leftovers at my house, so that was about like 30 Kit Kats. My regular banana pancake recipe and put it in the waffle maker because I like interesting shapes. Oh, just so much more fun, so why not? Okay, I'm really hoping this works. What the heck? No, it's fine. Maybe a lower heat? I don't really know. Kind of sad. And it still tastes pretty good. Like, I'm not gonna hate it. Like, it's pretty good. Not bad. Okay, not bad. She was a little wonky, but it's fine. So this second waffle turned out a little bit better than the first, but it's still a little bit ratchet and it's not as crispy as regular waffles. I think next time I'm actually going to use a waffle recipe. Honestly, it's just such a standard. I could eat it anytime, any day. So good. It's got poutine on the side, which is so good. On this day, I also tried the spicy chicken nuggets at McDonald's for a late night snack. Another muffin because my muffin addiction continues. For lunch, my mom got this amazing assortment of foods from this really expensive Korean restaurant. So It was kind of pricey, but it was very, very quality. In another life, if I had more time, I would definitely work at Tenren or even own one. Best investment. My sister actually ordered me this gourmet ice cream, and Tinpot Creamery is elite. I have to say, it's like a different level, especially this Cookie Monster flavor, because look at all the Oreo that's in there, all grinded up. It has two of my favorite things. It's Oreos, cookies, and cream, but it also has cookie dough, so you really just can't go wrong, and it's so good. I killed myself for this. This is the precise moment that I started to feel the cravings creeping in. Yes, I did end up finishing this entire carton of ice cream by the end of the week. This miscellaneous clip is just me stuffing my face with a piece of cake. Not me baking every single day, literally. Today I'm gonna try something different and actually grind up some oats to make oat flour. I don't know how this is gonna go because I've never done this before, but it worked for pancakes, so I think it might work for this. Yeah, I definitely think that oats provide a nice, healthier alternative than flour. It does end up a little bit grimier than a regular muffin, but still pretty good. And here's the final product. A little bit browner than usual. This smells so good. So good. Sorry, it's a little grainier than usual, but still freaking fire. Just think of these as eating oatmeal in a really fun way, because you got oatmeal, you got brown sugar, cinnamon, you got bananas as your topping, but you just all put it together and bake it up and it becomes carbs. So I forgot to film my dinner, but we actually ended up eating Ippudo ramen in Main Street and also had like 5 desserts to finish it off because we just wanted everything. Hey guys, so my friend who's a model introduced this to me, and she told me to put chia seeds in my water in the morning. And I was like, that doesn't sound very good. It just sounds like eating bird food in water. But I tried it anyways because I had this whole bag of chia seeds and it's been sitting in the closet for literally like 4 years probably. Yeah, so like a thing, I just drink chia seed water every day. It has this really earthy flavor to it that I like. I'm pretty sure this entire day I didn't actually eat any real food and I just ate sweets. My cravings were insane and there was just so many good sweets around the house. There's donuts, there was cake, and I could not control myself. You sometimes just have to let yourself go and let yourself eat whatever you want, because in the end, whatever makes you happiest. My skin might have suffered a little bit, but I still really wanted that cake and I was going to eat it no matter what. This is me following up the cake with even more donuts. So, wow, health. Very much good for my body. Not really. Someone tell me why Talenti ice cream is so hard to open. Like, it makes me just not want to eat it, but I'm still gonna eat it. But like we tried so hard to get this open. It was so funny. But wow, once she's open, she's beauty. She is grace. She is Talenti. Okay, and you thought my meals couldn't get any worse. Some more chicken nuggets for y'all. I'm pretty sure you all know what I'm making here. Banana muffins. Those serious carb cravings. I just need to tend to them all the time. Yes, my babies. I'm gonna be so happy now. Ow, so hot, so hot. Ow, okay, yeah, too hot. Ending this what I eat in a week in Berkeley, I finally got to go and bake with my friends again and then eat some fresh roll, which is like really good as well. Anyways guys, take care of your bodies, take care of yourself, listen to what your body wants and needs, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. See you guys next time.